C-Trel, and today, real quick, I want to give y'all some information that I just got, and I'm actually using right now because my subscription ended. That's right. If you look at the title, free Apple Music for up to 4 months. All right, for new and existing subscribers. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the link. The link is gonna be in the description of this video, but it's gonna be through Best Buy. Alright? So here it go. Alright, and then if you have the question, well, C-Trel, how'd you find this out? Just know I got my sources, and the sources is credible, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, here it go. Apple, free Apple Music for up to 4 months, new or returning subscribers only, alright? You got the 4 out of 4 review rating, 625 reviews. You know what I'm saying? It's legit. I already am using it. So what you got to do is add it to your cart. It's right here in your cart. Go to cart. All right. Go to checkout. Like I said, it's free. All right. So what I would recommend y'all do is continue as guests. But if you already have a, you know what I'm saying, log in and the profile with Best Buy, go ahead and do that. All right. So go ahead and continue as a guest. All right, you're going to enter your email, your phone number. I would suggest that you hit this button for texting. Okay, you're going to go enter in your card number, your first, last name, and address, city, state, and zip code. Now, because you're not paying any money for this because it's free, I suggest that you put a card on file with no money on it. You know what I'm saying? That'd be the smart thing to do. So use a card with no money or like some quarters or some cents on there, you know what I'm saying? And use that. So then after that, enter your email and phone number. You're gonna have to create a Best Buy account regardless. Anyway, so use the same email that you put up there for this one. Create a password. You can donate if you want to. You don't have to. And then place your order. Once you place your order, you're gonna get 3 emails. You know what I'm saying, from Best Buy. One is to for you to verify your email address. The other one is to welcome you to Best Buy, and then the other one is going to be the one that you redeem. All right. When you click that email, hit the redeem button. Make sure you got Apple Music already installed on your phone, and it's going to automatically go over to Apple Music and then update your subscription. All right. So like I said, I go by C-Trel. I create music. You know what I'm saying? I do tutorials. Um, Weeble, Robin Hood, sports betting, you know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff. Right now, I just created not too long ago my official CC Enterprise website. If you could check that out, link will be in the description. I do services, digital services, such as, let's go down to it, social media manager, build or manage website, build and or manage landing pages, and more. Also, I create clothing, and I can do mass clothing as well. All right, and if you need physical copies and you're located in Georgia, I can ship it to you anywhere. I can do business cards, posters, flyers, stickers, etc. All right, check this out. You know what I'm saying? If you have any questions, fill out this form, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And also check out my music website, my official C-Trel music page. It has unreleased music on there that, you know what I'm saying, is not available on YouTube or anywhere else. So, you know what I'm saying, if you want to check that out, go ahead. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, go by C-Trel, and I'll see y'all next time.